Hello dear viewers, welcome to MWBS Art and Craft. Here I'm going to review on Mont Marte Acrylic color paint set. And now this is the Mont Marte Acrylic color review, and here I have chosen 12 types of colors, and there are the colors I have picked. And this is the colors, and I will show you step by step about all of the colors intensity, quality, and how to manage these colors easily for your artwork. This is the brilliant red, orange, magenta, purple, light purple, lamp black. At first, as number 1 is the light green, number 2 is olive green, number 3 is lemon yellow, number 4 ultra marine blue, number 5 purple, number 6 light purple, number 7 is burnt cyanita, and 8 titanium white, and 9 is brilliant red, 10 orange, 11 is magenta, and finally number 12 is lamp black. Now it's time to mixing the color, and after mixing the color I will put it on the paper, and then you will able to watch this color on my video. And here's a light green. I've taken a small look at the color quality. It's very smooth and very good for paper work, and you can easily use this type of acrylic color on any type of art paper. Maybe it's a handmade or local color paper from the local art shop. It's olive green. This olive green's color intensity is better than light green. This is very dark, and the pigment of the color is so well that you can easily able to focus with a small amount of by using a small amount of color on your paper. And this is lemon yellow. Lemon yellow color is different from original old type of yellow or orange yellow. This is lemon yellow is just a little, and just is lighter than. And this is ultramarine blue. I'm just using this ultramarine blue. This ultramarine blue is a very useful color. We oftenly more and more use this color for any type of artwork, especially for sky, the dark water, wave of the seas, and this is very useful for ultramarine blue. Although some people love to sky blue for sky color, but there's a different types of colors we've used in the sky. Now it's the turn for purple, number 5. I'm just refreshing my brushes, and after that I use the purple colors. It's a dark purple color. It's not light purple, it's a dark purple color. The color quality is comparatively good, but I here is easily you guys also able to watch this lighter green. The lighter green colors pigment quality is not very high comparing with purple or ultramarine blue, and the olive green is also better than lighter green's pigment quality. Now number 6 is a light purple. Here I put it on my paper, light purple color, and this small box. It's good. It's definitely good. Light purple color is definitely good, and the pigment quality is not bad. And now it's done for burnt cyanita, and this is number 7. And I'm just refreshing my brushes again. And Santa is a burnt Santa. That means almost similar to brown color. I guess it's almost similar to brown, but there's a little bit difference with the original brown color and this burnt Santa, which have been provided by this Mont Marte Acrylic color 48 set. And this is very useful because you have not to mixture any type of a color. You can easily take one of this and easily use for your artwork. This is titanium white. It's great. This white color is very useful. It's a highly recommended titanium white to use any kind of artwork which is relevant to using white color. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay with us. I think this video will be very helpful for you. And if you guys like my channel, you can also visit the hub for high quality artworks which I have been already providing through this channel. And this channel will provide the artwork by using these quality colors, and you will also able to watch how I use these colors in my artwork, and you will also able to use in your artwork through this type of quality pigments. Mont Marte Acrylic color. This is magenta. This is not pink. This is not red. This is magenta, and there's a different color comparing with the red and orange. And this is lamp black. And lamp black is a dark black, and very useful for any kind of lining or shading which is relevant to black color. Is a lamp black. The lamp black, I love this lamp black Mont Marte Acrylic color, providing as 48 types of colors, and extra here they provided another type of 2 extraordinary colors such as golden color and silver plate color. This silver plate color and golden colors are very useful regarding all the prospects